This doesn't concern a lot of people, but I mean, hey, there's a few out there. Don't hold your nose when you're sneezing. Just let it out. So what if it's a dad sneeze? Okay, it's gonna be a dad sneeze. Who cares? Okay, just let it out. You're gonna get it. You're gonna need a cauterization because number one, you might break an artery in your. Actually, you're going to break an artery in your nose if you sneeze properly 3 times. I believe it is. Um, cauterization is not fun. I had to get that. It's really not fun. Okay, guys. So don't do that. Don't hold your nose when you're sneezing. Just let it out. If it's a dad sneeze, mom sneeze, grandpa sneeze, uncle sneeze, grandma sneeze, doesn't matter. Just let it out, okay? Have a great day. Love y'all. Also, don't worry why the mirror is so dirty, okay? Gosh.